Hello friends, this is Dr. Mitesh Kala, presently teaching in Campion School. Welcome to the online teaching resource.
Hi, in this video we are getting into cubes and cube roots exercise 4b. In the last video we did exercise 4a in which we saw cubes. Cubes of four things: natural numbers, fractions, decimals and negative numbers, right? Same thing now we're going to see all four with cube roots, alright? So before we get on to the exercise, I want you to just have a quick revision. Come on, everyone with me. 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64. Come on, tell me 5. Brilliant. 125, 6, 216, 7, 343, 8, 512, 9, 729, 10, 1000, 11, anybody remembers? 1331, 12, anyone knows? 1728. So at least these many you should know by heart. Okay, why? Two reasons. So when you see these numbers, you are already familiar with and you can directly write your answer. That saves your time. And number two, to get cube roots, I've got a technique. If you look at 1, it gives you 1, 2 gives you 8, 3 gives you 7, 4 gives you 4, 5 is giving you 5, 6 is giving you 6. So these three, 1 and 9, can you see they give the same number? And the beauty is none of the number repeats. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there is no such number whose cubes the last digit is going to be the same. They are all different. All of them different. Can you see? So 1 is 1, 9 is 9, 4, 5, 6. Alright. 2 becomes 8. Now it goes with a pattern. 2 becomes 8, 8 becomes 2. 3 becomes 7 and 7 becomes 3. Beautiful pattern. Did anyone even notice that ever? Yeah, and it starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's how it keeps on going. So it shouldn't be a problem for you at all now. So when you see a number and if they ask you to find the cube root, look at the last digit. If the last digit is 1, it has to be ending with 1. If last digit is 9, the cube root of that will have 9 as their last digit. If it is with 7, then 3, 3 with 7, 4, 5, 6, the same thing, 4, 5, 6, and 2 with 8, and 8 with 2. That gives you a quick method to find your cube roots. Now let's get into the exercise. I'm sure this should help you. Take a screenshot of this, put it on your softboard right now, so it helps you to understand the pattern which I have just made you understand. Let's start with part 1. Everybody on your own. Very simple. Come on. 64. In fact, mental math should help you. 4 into 4 into 4. Don't even go for prime factors and waste your time. They are not asking you by prime factor method. They are just telling you find the cube root. So you already know 4 is 64. So directly write 4 into 4 into 4 and get your answer. 1728. Do you know it directly? We just now did it. Superb. 12 is the answer. So 12 into 12 into 12, write cube root, write this one step at least and then say 12. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. 9261. Now this to do mentally is tough. So let's take prime factors of this and let's see what answer do we get. So I'm dividing it by 3. 3 3s are, 0s are, 8s are and 7s are. Again 3 times. 3 1s are, 0s are, 3 2s are 6, 27, so 9 times. 3 3s are 9, 4s are and 3 3s are. Now we know 343 is 7. So 7 49, 7 7 and 7 1. See, if you know the basic cubes, your calculation will become faster. So now for 9261 cube root, you're going to write 3 into 3 into 3, 7 into 7 into 7 and cube root. So it's going to be 3 into 7, 21. Easy now? See, here only we came to know 1 7 and 1 3 was supposed to come out, but you don't need to show these steps, please. Yeah, 3 3 7 5. Come on, pause the video, try on your own without my help and get me the correct answer, and that too with a good speed. Come on, hit it. So 5 6 times 30, 37. So 7 times 25, 5 times. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5. Again 5 2s are 10 and 7s are. So 3 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So what I get is 3375 cube root is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 and 3 into 3 into 3. Everything under the cube root. I hope you know how to write cube root. You write this 3 within this, okay? Don't write this outside. This will come within it. So 5 into 3, finally 15. How many managed to get the answer correct? Brilliant. Will you remember 3, 3, 7, 5, 15, 9, 2, 6, 1, 21. Try to retain, so in case if these numbers repeat, you can go quickly. Come on. Pause your video. Mental math. I don't want anyone to use prime factor methods anymore. Come on, hit it. 125. So 5 into 5 into 5. 216. 6 into 6 into 6. Under the cube root. So my answer should be 5 by 6. So first one we did is natural numbers. Second one, now we are getting into fractions mostly. Okay. Come on, next one. 64 and 729. You should know by now. 64 is 4 cube. And 729 is 9 cube. Pause your video and try on your own. Don't be cheaters. Don't copy. Okay. So 4 into 9. Stop laughing. Come on, begin. So 9 4s are 36. How many got the same answer? Great job. Copying same answer, not a great job. On your own. Okay. Next, 1 part 6. 7 to 9 and 8000. You should be knowing both. 7 to 9, 9. So 9 into 9 into 9. 8000, if you find it tricky, okay, what you must do is split it. 8 into 1000. Now is it easy? So 9 into 9 into 9. 8 you know is 2 into 2 into 2. And 1000 you know is 10 into 10 into 10. So directly tackling 8000, if it is a problem for you, split that 8000 as 8 into 1000. And then your life can become very much easy. So finally 9 into 2 into 10. 1 9 comes out, 1 2 comes out and 1 10 comes out. So 180. How many got this on their own? Great, you're doing a lovely job. 3375. Vaguely do you remember? We did it recently. 15. Superb. We just did it here. So now if you remember this and if you are confident, you don't need to do this. You can do it directly because they have not told you by prime factor method. So let's save our time. 15. 15, 15, 8, 8, 8, because we know 5 and 2 is already 8. So let's become little smart. You don't have to work hard, you have to work smart. If you are smart, you can make mathematics very simple. So 15 into 8. Anyone? 15 into 8, 120. Superb. Yeah, let's go with the next one. 3 part 2. Now we got into negatives. We did fractions, negative. Now only decimals is left, which we will do after this. So if it is negative, it remains negative in cubes because there are 3 negatives. Okay. So 5 and 2 we'll know is 8. So write minus 3 times along with 8. And therefore your final answer should be minus 8. I don't want you to do that prime factor method again and again. Better learn these values, the basic ones, so you can go direct and we can save our time. Come on, 64. 4, superb. 4 into 4 into 4. What about 343? 7, shabash. 7 into 7 into 7 with a negative sign. So negative 4 by 7. Are you enjoying this? Is this simple? Keep it up. It's not simple because I'm teaching well. It's simple because you are focusing well. So keep doing it. 5, 8, 3, 2. Difficult. Not mental math possible. So come on. Get the factors. Pause the video. Come on, hit it. So 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are, 2 1s are 6 are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are. Again 2 7s are, 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are. 729. So 3 times. In fact, you know 729, right? What is it? 9. So instead of wasting time, directly take 9 and say 81. Again say 9 and 9, 9 and 1. They have not said prime factor method, so you need not take prime numbers over here. You can take any numbers. So if you are smart, you know 729, directly take 9. No harm in that at all. So here you get 1 2 and here you will get 1 9. So your answer should be 18. So write minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Give a minus sign to all the numbers. Don't forget that. Okay. So finally you will get minus 2 into minus 9. Minus 2 into minus 9 you'll write plus 18. Don't do that. And here also we might land up doing a mistake. So it's better you just put one minus sign outside and write everything plus and put in a bracket. So there is no problem, no confusion at all. And then this minus sign, 9 2s are 18. So you are safe. Just keep this minus outside, put everything as plus. Otherwise 6 times plus will become minus will become plus and you will be in a trouble. So better put everything plus and one minus sign outside. That's it. Okay. So answer is minus 18. Okay. How many got this correct? Great job. Now let's see who gets this correct. If you're smart, you'll make it easy. If you're not smart, you're going to do it with a lengthy method. So pause your video, try it and come and tell me, were you smart or you were not smart? If you were smart, now that you are back, if you are not back and you are copying, very bad. That means you are extra smart. Alright, if you are back and if you've done this way, you are smart. Now you know 1000 is 10. Just take cube roots of this on the prime factor this thing and get your answer. But if you're taking the entire thing and finding the prime factors, it's going to take a lot of time and you're going to waste a lot of time. So be a little smart. To 2 7 4 4, let's take the factors. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 7s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 6 again. So 2 3 4 3. Now 3 4 3 we know is 7. So 49, 7 7s are and 7 1s are. So you have 7 and 2 14. Again keep the minus sign outside and put a bracket so that minus sign doesn't irritate you. So 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7 into 7, 10 into 10 into 10, that is for 1000, and a cube root. Put brackets to this. So I'll have minus, put a bracket 2 into 7 into 10 outside this cube root thing now. So 7 2s are 14 and 1 0. So negative 140. How many tackled it? Brilliant. You all are doing amazing work. I'm really impressed. Let's go with the next one. Sum number 4 part 2. This time decimals now with negatives both together. So let's hit decimals. 9261. Do you remember vaguely what is 9261? 21. Yeah, but you need to find the factors. I'll give you an easier method. Whenever you see decimals, get rid of it by putting that many zeros down. So after the decimal place, I can see 3 digits. Count 1 2 3. Therefore put 3 zeros in the denominator. I hope you know this already. So now this 1000 is 10. Let's find for 9261 what should be the factors. So it goes in 3. It's 21. Yeah, I remember. So 3 and 7 should be the factors. So 3 3s are, 3 zeros are, 3 8s are and 7s are. Again 3 1 0 2 9. Again 3 3s are, 4s are, 3s are. And now for 7 49, 7 7 and 7 1. Right? So how are you going to present? 3 into 3 into 3. 7 into 7 into 7 upon 10 into 10 into 10 cube root. So 7 and 3 will come out and 10. So 21 by 10. So your answer should be 2.1. So get rid of the decimals here only and only in the end put the decimal back. Otherwise you are bound to get confused with this decimals and you will make mistakes. Come on, next one. 512. Do you remember? Yes, it is 8. It is 8. So get rid of the decimals first and in the end put it back. Come on your own. So 0.512 negative. Oh, let me get rid of the decimal. So I covered this decimal upon 1000 under the root. Now I know this 512 is 8. So 8 into 8 into 8 and 10 into 10 into 10. Minus is outside in the bracket and everything under the root. So I'll have minus 8 by 10 under the root. Oh, no root now, no? Because we already took the root out. So minus 8 by 10. So my answer should be minus 0.8 because this 10, so 1 decimal. Are you getting it now? Lovely. Let's go with the next one. Fifth. 15625. Get prime factors. Get rid of the decimal first. So let's get rid of the decimal. Minus 15625 upon 1000 under the cube root. Now factors. 15625. Obviously going in 5. 5 3s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are and 5 5s are. Again 5 6s are 30, 2s are 10 and 5s are. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are and 5s are. So 125. Again it goes in 5, 525, 5 5 and 5 1. So I get 5 6 times. So 1 5 over here, 1 5 over here, that means 25. So keep the minus out. 6 times we are going to write 5. It's better you write this step instead of writing things direct. So at least some form of presentation is seen. And all this part, do it over here only. Don't do it in the rough work. Do it separately, but here only, okay? So that the teacher knows how did you derive your answer. So 5 into 5 upon 10, only 10 under the cube root. So negative 25 by 10 and cube root is gone. So negative 2.5. How many got this perfect? Correct. Come on, mental math on your own. You should finish within next 30 seconds. Come on, hit it. Let me see your pace. So you know 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. And you know 1000 is 10 into 10 into 10. Minus sign outside, everything under the root. So here I'll get 5 and here I will get 10. Root is gone. So minus 50. How many managed to get this mentally within 30 seconds? That means you are doing brilliant. Hats off to you all. If you are not getting it any point of time, pause the video, go behind, check the solution and then come back. Yeah, don't worry. 26244. What number should be divided so that this becomes a perfect cube? So first get your, we've done this type in the last exercise also. So first thing what you need to do is get the factors and then we'll see what to do further. So 26244, getting the factors. Why are you still here? Come on, pause, try on your own, everyone. So 2 ones are, 3s are, 1s are, 2 2. 2 6s are, 12. So 1, 2 5s are, 6s are and 1s are. Have I done it correct? Maybe. So 3. 3 2s are, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are and 7s are. 3 7, 3 2s are 6 and 9s are. Again 3. Now 9 I know is, no, it's better right now you take factors because what has to be divided. Directly don't take 9, okay? So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are. Again 381, 327, 3 9, 3 3 and 3 1. So here only you can get your answer. 1 3. This 3 is proper. These are the problems. So these numbers is what you'll have to divide with. So 2 2s are 4. 4 into 9, 36. So you'll have to divide this number by 36 because those are not proper set of 3. Okay, so you'll have to remove them. Had they asked you what should be multiplied, then we would have supplied 1 3 and 1 2, that means 6. But here what has to be divided by. So you can do this, here only say 36 and then if you want you can directly say therefore 36 or 26244 should be divided by 36 to make it a perfect cube. Are you getting it now how to go about it? So you are dividing it by 36. How did you get it? Because here they were missing. They are not sets of 3. They are only sets of 2. So we are supplying or rather we are removing. In this case it's divide, so we are removing them and therefore 36. Did you get it? This presentation is more than enough. You don't need to write anything else. We will accept this. Come on, next, sixth one. What should be multiplied this time? Come on, pause your video on your own this time, everyone. I am 100% sure you will manage this. So 5 I am dividing with 6 times 0. 5 7s are 35 and then again 5 times. Again 5 1s are 5, 2s are, 5 1s are and 5s are. Have I gone wrong somewhere? Let me just check. 5 6 are 30, 0 7 25, so 5. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 1s are and 5 5s are. Perfect. Again 5 2s are 10, 21, so 4s are 1, so 3s are 243. I think it is 3. 81, 327, 39, 33 and 31. Again make sets of 3. So this is one set, this is another set. This is the only one which is left. Now not divide. Had they told you what should be divided, then we would have removed this 9. What should be multiplied with? So supply 3 to this. Supply one more 3, so this becomes a set of 3. So you'll say therefore 30375 should be multiplied with or multiply it by 3 to make it a perfect cube. Are you getting it now? How are you going to go about? So you're supplying with a 3 so that this becomes a perfect cube. This method is more than enough for us to understand that you followed. No need to write anything else. Let's go on with the next one. 7 part 1. Come on, get the cube root of this. Mental math should help you with this. You should not be taking factors. If you cannot, obviously you can, but you should try doing it mentally. Now 700 is 7 into 100. That means 7 into 100. 100 ka factors are 10 into 10 and 110 is 2 into 5. Another 10 also 2 into 5. See, like that you should train your mind to get mental math developed. So you need not every time go with the typical method of that prime factors. So 7, 10, 10 becomes 700. This 2 and 49 is 7 into 7 and this 5. You are trying to find the cube root. So now come on, make sets of 3. So 7 and 2 7s will become 1, 2, 2 and 1, 2. And finally 5, 5 and 5. So what will I get? 7 into 10, 70. That should be my final answer. How many got this 70 on their own? Brilliant work. I'm really happy. Come on, next one. 729, 1331. Mental math, don't go for prime factors. By now you know how to tackle it. So negative 729 is 9 into 9 into 9. And 1331 you remember? Super, 11. 11 into 11 into 11 cube root and put all this in bracket so that that minus sign is taken care of. So minus 9 by 11 should be my final answer. Let's go to the next one. 7 part 7. Now no choice, no mental math will be helping you. So go about by taking the prime factors. Come on, take your time this time. Give me this last sum correct. Pause the video, get it correct for me. So 2 8s are 16, 7s are 14, 8 0 8. Again with 2. Yeah. This is 1,75,087. So 2 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 0s are 4s are. Again by 2, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 5s are 2 2s are. Again by 2 1s are 0s are 9s are 2 7s are 14 and 6. I hope I'm not going wrong. 2 5s are 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are and again 8. 2 2s are 4, 7s are and 4 4. Bapre. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 2 2s are. I hope you are still there and you're not getting scared. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are. We are almost there. Don't leave it. 3 4 3. There you go. 749, 7 7 and 7 1. Finally we managed. So this 7 can come out, this 2 can come out, this 2 can come out, and here this 2 can come out. So basically when I take the cube root, it is going to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 with the negative sign. I am writing this direct because so many numbers if you write, it's going to take a lot of time. If you want, you may even skip if you're showing these steps here properly. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 into 7 negative 56. How many got this without my help? Pat yourself. Great job. Keep it up. Alright. For your homework, I want you to try 1 part 3 and 4, 2 part 3 and 5, 3 part 6 and 7, 4 part 3 and 7 part 4. Please try these sums honestly. Do not copy. If you do it on your own, 100% you will find all this very simple. It's not going to be difficult at all. Take every day one step, but take that step honestly. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and pray for everyone.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do write your math experience in the comment section. Thank you.